Hi, how are you?
Good, you?
Hi, Megan.
Mehmet.
But with 40 square miles of land in our search area and Achilles' tomb likely hidden below ground, we'll need some help to try and find him.
I'm going to prepare the GPS data, and after that, we are ready.
Aerial survey engineer Mehmet is armed with a state-of-the-art mapping drone. It captures tens of thousands of high-res images and then uses software to piece them together to create a 3D map of the landscape that can reveal anomalies that the naked eye could never find.
If you want to find other mounds, right, we know that there are some up the ridge here and a bit further north.
That's something that you can do.
Yes, we can do exactly.
Are you going to show me how to put it up?
Of course. Shake three times horizontally.
Okay.
Now it's ready, and a little bit, one or two steps, and after that, throw. That's it.
Hey, I did it, you guys.
Congratulations.
Done.
Another milestone.
It will take several hours for the drone to finish its flight path, and then a week to analyze the data.